This is the point where sales psychology dictates that I need to tell you that if you sign up to my course in 12 months time with no money down whatsoever, you too can have a house like this. Unfortunately, all that sort of stuff is an absolute load of nonsense in my experience. What I am here to tell you is that yes, stuff like this is achievable. However, my journey involves 12 years of extreme sacrifice and a whole heap of hard work. But if you're willing to do that hard work, you can get results like this. So my experience and background is 2012. I bought a little period cottage. I did it up in evenings, weekends. I went completely over the top and did extremely high quality. I sold it a couple of years later. I broke the ceiling price in the area and I carried on doing that for a few years, each time taking myself the next rung up on the property ladder. In more recent years, I've started to focus my attention on creating high-end holiday lets that give back an exceptionally good return on investment. They earn a lot of money. I mean a lot. So if any of this is of interest to you, then yes, I'm in a really good position to help you out. If, however, your strategy for property development is something along the lines of, I don't know, buying 50 houses up north and renting them out to social housing, to be honest, I'm probably not the best person to help. I'm focused on attention to detail and high quality. That's my niche, that's where I sit. So this course is designed that the cost of it can very easily be recouped, even if you're only doing a relatively small project at your home. So say something like a new kitchen and bathroom fit out and you're project managing, you're sorting out trades, you're sorting out timelines, categorically this course will pay for itself. If you're doing anything more than that, say bigger extensions, new builds, or you're looking to follow in a similar path to that which I've done, this course is a no-brainer. It will keep paying for itself year in, year out, and you'll get an exceptionally good return on investment. So I've created this as a practical, pragmatic guide. It's not an academic course. I'm not an academic person. The way I've done it is each section's got like a little video at the top with a bit of an overview. Then you've got a PDF workbook at the bottom that can be printed out, and you can kind of work through that. There's loads of super practical tasks, and you kind of, as you work through them, the physicality of actually working through them is what will cement the learning in. So as you go through it, you just build up experience, and then when you come to do it, if you keep practicing it, it'll be like second nature. One of the biggest questions I get asked from people starting out is what their strategy should be for property development. This is something I'm able to help with on a one-to-one basis. So if you've got any questions around that or anything about property development or the course in general, please do feel free to get in touch, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers, bye.